Size object. With this tool, we can move the object from its position, and increase and decrease the size of the object. Here, we have one object. Select the object. Here, you can see the XY position of the object in millimeters. Now, if we want to move the object to the center of the page, here, we will add 0 parameters in the XY position. Set parameters, and press Enter key. Here, you can see the object has moved to the center of the page. Now, if we want to change the size of the object, here, we will add parameters. Here, you can see that object size has been changed. If we change the object size, then stitches will be automatically increased.
Here, you can see stitches of the object.
Now, if we want to change the object size according to percentage, here, we will change the percentage of the object. Set parameters, and press Enter key. If we add a percentage below 100, the object will be small, and if we add a percentage above 100, the object will be large. Now, if we want to change both the parameters at one time, click in the box here. Now, we will add 150% here, so the parameters will change in both the places X and Y. Here, you can see that object size has been changed. Now, we will close this button. And now, we will add 50% here, and turn on this button. Here, you can see the parameter has been changed in the X and Y position. Here, we will add 450%. Then click here. Here, you can see that object size has been changed. If we have added parameters here by mistake and need to remove, so let's click here. Here, you can see that the parameters have been removed, and the previously added parameters have been added.